Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thailand Plus tracking app, and we've discussed this in other videos on this channel kind of at length, but I wanted to make one specific to marriage visas. Marriage visas have been prioritized, one of the highest priorities of non-immigrant categories to come into Thailand. Those who have Thai spouses are permitted to enter the kingdom. They have to undertake the O marriage visa process, and they have to get things like a certificate of entry and other documentation in order to enter the kingdom. But recently it was announced, and we've discussed in other videos we made contemporaneously with this one, that Thailand Plus is this new contact tracing app, has been created in order to track via GPS foreigners that enter the Kingdom of Thailand, and apparently they are saying that they need or are going to be tracked for purposes of contact tracing associated with the spread of COVID-19, the so-called coronavirus. Now, the reason I'm making this video is, as yet, our research is yet to fully suss out whether or not this only applies to tourists or non-immigrants as well, but I think it's logical to infer from the fact that apparently this is going to become integral to the certificate of entry process, and we made videos on this channel regarding that specifically, but it looks like this app is going to be part of the certificate of entry process. Some of the information that is provided in order to get the certificate of entry presumably is going to be utilized in using this tracking app. So the long story short, what does this mean? Well, it looks to me like, because it's so intertwined with this certificate of entry, I personally think it's very likely it will apply to all non-immigrant visas. I could be wrong, and to be clear, I hope I'm wrong. I kind of have some issues with these kind of Orwellian tracking applications, but that's not the purpose nor the scope of this video. Long story short, I think it's probably better to err on the side of caution and presume you're going to need the app, and I think this is probably safe to presume in a non-immigrant marriage visa context as well.